In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change RAM speed on your ASUS TUF or TUF. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to change the RAM speeds on any ASUS motherboard. For this particular video, I'm gonna be talking about a TUF model, but it is overall very similar for the ROG models and the Prime models. So when you purchase RAM, it isn't going to automatically use the advertised speeds. So let's say, for example, you purchased RAM that is rated at 3600 megatransfers. By default, it isn't going to use that value. So you have to go into the BIOS and enable XMP and change some settings in there. So to go into the BIOS, press delete over and over while your computer boots up or reboots. So it is either going to be delete or F2. If these keys don't work, then refer to the manual for your particular model on how to access the BIOS. In here, you can check to see if XMP is enabled. So if all you want to do is safely overclock your RAM and use it at the rated speeds that you purchased it at, just change the XMP option to enabled. You will be able to do this on this easy to use interface. So using your cursor, select this and change it to enable. Now, if you want to fine-tune the RAM speeds and really go hard into overclocking, or if this option is not available for you, first you will have to switch into advanced mode. So press F7 or click this option here. And once you go into advanced mode, go to AI Tweaker. So choose this option here at the top. And finally, you will be able to change the AI Overclock Tuner. Like I said before, this is going to be the safe way to overclock, aka using your RAM at the rated speed. Change this to DOCP1 or DOCP2. You will see the value that it is going to run at. So in this example here, it is going to run at the rated 6400 megatransfers. And usually they will give you two options, one with a slightly higher value and one with a little bit lower. Just choose whichever one you prefer and you are good to go. Now, of course, if you want to change these settings and manage various individual aspects about the RAM and other components, then you can change it here, but I wouldn't recommend doing this in 90% of cases. For most people, simply enabling XMP, aka DOCP, is going to be good and it is going to be stable. Only change individual values related to overclocking the RAM if you know what you are doing. I hope I was able to help you on how to change RAM speeds in BIOS ASUS TUF. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.